In this session, we're still busy with Creditors module parameters. So it's utility, setup, module parameters, and Creditors. And we're now going to look at your user-defined tables. The user-defined tables will allow you to add fields to your Creditors maintenance option. In other words, you can now customize information that suits your business specifically. Let me show you how. You never remove or make changes to the first line. So just tap through that first line. You don't have to enter a number, and then add your specific options. Data strings, I'm not going to go through the whole list, but there's various options here. You can choose a string, you can add a graphics, you can add a memo field that will allow you to enter more, you can choose date selection. Tap through, and I'm just going to add another option here for you, and I'll leave that on a string, and I'll specify that I would like 20 characters. Required will mean that it will force you to enter information into that field. If it's not required, then you can leave it out. I'm just going to enter through to the next line, and then I'm going to click on Create. I'm going to click on OK. Now let me show you where this will appear. I'm going to close module parameters, and I'm going to take you to Creditors maintenance. I'm going to edit a specific creditor, and you'll now see that the first time you edit that creditor, you've got your user-defined data tab here, and you can now enter. Now my first option was a date option, and then my second option, I had the capability to actually enter text. So you can customize information for yourself, for your creditors, and then use these options for reporting purposes. They will not be included in your filters. They will only be available for reporting purposes. And that concludes looking at the user-defined options for creditors.